So good morning, y'all. Good morning, y'all. I've been getting some real bad sleep lately. I haven't been able to sleep for like a whole month. I don't even know why. I usually knock out like a baby, but I'd be waking up like 4 or 5 in the morning. And when you just can't go to sleep, what else will you do? What else do you start doing? I just, there's two things I love to do. I love to eat and I love to drive. So we about to do a drive because I'm not hungry right now. So we about to try out the sports mode in this Camry. I have not tried it yet after having it for a whole month. So we about to see what that's like. The sun about to come up. The sun about to come up soon. It feels beautiful out here. Nice summer night or a summer morning. So we got the automatic on lock. You guys just kind of missed it. I put my hand there. That John just opened up. And we about to go for a little run. So yeah, guys, maybe I need to get a GoPro or something. But we making it work though. We making it work. So I never used the paddle shifters on this joint, so I'm kind of scared to use these. But right now, I'm just about to take a little drive around this park in Jersey. We hit those yellow lights. Sports mode. Yeah, I never used the sports mode before. I could definitely tell the difference. And I feel like the sports mode is more for me because I'd be putting my foot to the mother sucking pedal. It definitely be driving nice though. It's definitely a smooth drive. There be hella cops in this area, so I'm not trying to go too crazy. But this is crazy to them. 10 miles over the speed limit. But maybe we'll get some good views. Yeah, man, I love to drive, man. It just takes off some weight off my shoulders, listening to some music and stuff. Venting and talking about life and stuff. But yeah, nah, I don't know. I just be driving around, man. Just be driving around. I know gas prices be crazy, but it don't really, it don't affect me too much in the Camry. The Camry gets some real good gas mileage. Honestly, the last time I filled up was probably almost a month from now, and I got like 3/4 of a tank left. I'm getting close to, yeah, I'm getting close to half a tank, but I'm not even at half a tank yet, so I'm just living my life, man. um, it only cost me $25 to fill up the tank from a quarter of a tank. When I was driving the Lexus, these girls be wanting to kill themselves, bro. I swear. When I was driving the Lexus, I would be just, uh, I would be spending bread on gas, like $50 every two times a week. $50 every 2 times a week. I was gonna say every week, but it was definitely like 2 times a week. I was filling that shit up, and that's just some bread, bro. Like I couldn't keep doing that shit to myself because I like to drive, so I like to do stuff like this and not have to worry about gas and all. Since I couldn't sleep, here we are. About to outpace these bikers and shit. This is where the cops be hiding out, so I'm gonna chill maybe a little bit. Maybe a little bit. There's no cops out right now though, so I'm about to rev this shit up. Oh, 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 you see what I said? You see what I said? You see them lights? Hell no, chief. That actually kind of scared me, I'm not gonna lie. Yo, hopefully that John don't take no picture of me because my insurance kind of high right now. I ain't trying to get no points or nothing like that. Might have to take one of them courses. But yeah, man. I'm just driving around. I might I'm gonna come out here later, do a little workout or something. But man, life ain't too bad, man. I'm just enjoying my life, man. Um, yeah, got the shit in sport. I don't know how the paddle shifters work, man. I've been watching YouTube videos, even before I started watching or making this video. My fault. Before I started making this video, I just I was just looking up hella videos. I was trying to impress y'all and be like, yo, this is how you use paddle shifters, but nah, I couldn't impress nobody. So I definitely can't even impress myself with that. So I mean, maybe I'll try it. I'll try it on my own, and then whenever I get a GoPro, I might have to wait on that. Whenever I get a GoPro, I could make some better content for y'all. But yeah, man, this is my first time driving a hybrid vehicle. It's interesting. You could hear the hybrid EV going on. I don't know how much gas this Johnny be upholding when it's on sport, but I think I like the way it drives on sport a little bit more than I like the way it drives normally. I think it's just because of my driving habits. Cause as soon as that red light turned green, I'd be flying like, and I could definitely curse right now. I'd be fucking flying, bro. Like, I'm past the 1 minute mark. I'd be fucking flying. So this is like a kind of like a stupid video. I mean, and people like these types of videos though. So we gonna do that. I'm just driving one hand like I normally do anyway. So I might as well make some content. I'm about to start flying down a little faster. About going a little highway. This is like 6 in the morning, y'all. 6 in the morning. And yeah, man, I don't really got nothing to do today. So I said, why not make a little video? Couldn't sleep, why not make a video? Been on the grind, man. Been on the grind. And I appreciate anybody that just be watching, who wants to like and subscribe to this. I normally don't ask y'all because you know, whoever wants to like and subscribe wants to like and subscribe. You feel me? I ain't trying to force nobody. You feel me? I'm taking a different approach this time around on YouTube. Instead of being so forceful about things, I don't know. I felt like I was just taking a bad approach, and I just didn't really like how I was making videos before. So yeah, we bending corners. I bend that corner real soft and sweet. But yeah, we about to rev these engines up. Hitting a good 60, 65, 70 right now. Despite this being an i4, this should be driving smooth, man. It drives smooth. It rev up fast enough for me. I like fast cars and all that, but in all reality, bro, I don't need much. Bro. I'm a very simple man, and I like what I like, bro. Like, I like the space of this car. I love the drivability of this car. I love the gas mileage. I love everything about this car, really. I love the look of it. And I'm a happy man about that, man. I don't need the fastest things. I don't need the fanciest shit to feel good about myself, man. All this stuff's materialistic anyway. Materialistic things don't help you at the end of the day, man. All it makes you do is just spend more money. And who you trying to impress, bro? You don't keep up with the Joneses. And I'm talking about keeping up with the Joneses. I'm the only one in this area with this vehicle. Well, nah, I've seen like 2 or 3, but on some real, like, I never was the type of person. Like, I could have cared less if I got like a 2010 something. Literally, the Lexus was a 2016 that I was driving for some time. So that John cool. I just seen one health bar go down for being in sports mode. I might put this Johnny back into normal and see what that's like. See the difference really. But I'm about to be on some regular streets now. So this is the oppie area for sure. So I ain't trying to be too opt out. So maybe I'll put my Johnny back in normal. All right, so we back in normal mode. Op right there. Hopefully you don't see me recording and wants to pull me over for some dumb stuff. But hey, 6 in the morning, bro. 6 in the morning. We take rights on the red lights in Jersey. So that's what we doing. That's like the best pizza spot in town right there on the corner. I want to learn a stick eventually. That's just going to be something I'm going to do eventually. I think in life I just really want to try a bunch of new things. I feel like for me, as a Pisces man, because apparently that matters, we like to do things differently. We like to do a bunch of things, and we want to do a bunch of things. We want to try a bunch of things. We want to keep doing a bunch of things because we get bored of things real fast. At least that's my experience. I get bored of shit fast. Like I do not like I do not like doing the same shit over and over again. And it don't matter what it is. It don't matter what it is, and you can put 2 and 2 together on what I mean by that. But yeah, man. Just feel like in life, I just want to try a bunch of new stuff, Like, you only got one life to live, so why should I just not do everything I can? Like, everything I'm interested in. Why should I just not do everything I'm interested in? I'm gonna be doing these things and be trying to do my best. But I'll explain a little bit what I got on this car too. So it's an all blacked out car. If you see my last car video, it's all blacked out, black rims. It's like a metallic black type of paint, to where like in the sunlight you could see it a little bit bluish. I feel like I tried to take that in the video the last time, but you couldn't really see it. You have to like see it in person. Yeah, I got tints all around. I got 15 on the front, 5 in the back. I used to have 5s all around on my old Camry, but then I ended up taking them off because some of these streets be real dark at night, and I don't want to run nobody over. Like the way I be bending these corners, it don't be sweet. So I feel like in all reality, bro, like I would not do well, and I feel like I was gonna run somebody over, bro. And I'm more for practicality. I'm a practical guy. I'm more for practicality. In terms of anything that I'm gonna be using on a daily basis, I'd rather be practical about it. I'd rather be able to see where I'm driving. That's why I don't get my whole windshield tinted. I got like a 5% strip up top. It does kind of block out the heat a little bit, but it would have been better if the whole windshield was tinted, but I'm not gonna be that type of guy. I got 15s on the front, 5 or limo tint on the back. So that Johnny is dark. Sometimes you can see during the day in the front, which, kind of irks me a little bit because I want to be not seen, not that, like I'm a celebrity or something, but, I don't want to be seen, so So it's like, you know, I don't like it sometimes. Like sometimes I think a little too deep about it, but I don't really need to. Going up and down this hill once again, like Jack and Jill type shit. Um, there's nothing really, no really fun drives around here. Honestly, if I were to really go on like the highway, uh, I don't really want to just go on the highway for no reason. I mean, yeah, I'll make a video, you know, maybe when my gas tank full or something, or even when I have the GoPros, just so I can have a little more comfortability. Maybe I'll do it then. This is a long ass video that I wasn't expecting to make, but you know, here we are. You know, so you're driving back home. Probably do a little workout. I'm not really dressed up for no workout right now though. I would have made a video on top of this one if I played it smart, but I did not play it smart. I just came outside. Came outside because I couldn't sleep. And that's just what you kind of gotta do sometimes. Maybe you just gotta, you know, I don't know. I don't know what's on my mind lately. I guess I got a lot of shit on my mind. I don't know.